Hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. So, today I'm going to tell you how you can form an English sentence in just 3 seconds. So, my name is Saloni and I'm a public speaker by profession. And I have taught so many students till now who are outstanding public speakers and English speakers. So, I would love to do same for you. So, let's start with an intro of a sentence. So, what do you think? What every sentence tells us? So, what do you think every sentence tells us? Okay. So, every sentence tells us who is doing what. So, who is a subject? It can be a noun or pronoun. So, the person whom we are talking about, that is a subject. So for example, I'm talking about an English, so English is a subject. So the thing on which we are talking, that is a subject of our sentence. And next comes doing. So doing is a verb. So verbs are the action words of a sentence that describe an action of a person. For example, run, make, teach, drink, etc. And object is what the person is doing. So object can be a thing or a person that the verb is done to or who receives the verb. For example, I love an ice cream. Here ice cream is an object. So let me ask you one question here. So an apple can be a subject or an object? And the answer is it is both. It can be both. A subject, when we are talking about an apple, suppose if I say the apple is of red color, here the apple will be a subject because we are talking about apple. But if I say I am eating an apple, so here apple will be an object. So we can modify our subject and an object according to our need or what we want to convey. So, yes. So here I am eating an apple. So I is a subject, eating is a verb, and apple is an object. So the rule is every English sentence is made with this order: subject plus verb plus object. So now here is a quiz time. You have to arrange the order of these and let's check how much you score. Here we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I hope that you are done with this. And let's check your answers. How much score you have got? So first was I'm watching television. Second was I love badminton. Life is like a roller coaster, right? And I am playing a football. The last sentence. Oh, I hope that you got a good marks, good grades today. Congratulations! So you learned how you can create a sentence in just 3 seconds. And if you like my video, just click on like button and comment and post your queries if you're facing any. And please stay tuned for our upcoming videos. I have created lots of stuff. So let me ask you one thing. I play football. So which type of a tense it is? So we'll be discussing this in our next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Meet you soon.